Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find privacy policy on CapCut. Let's get started by open the CapCut application. And if you regularly use this CapCut to edit your video, photo, or many more, you can learn about the privacy and policy first. Many people skip this, but I think it's very important to read to learn about this privacy and policy before you're using this editor or CapCut application. You can tap the setting button at the top of your screen, scroll down, and try to search this privacy policy. You can tap it. So this is in Indonesia language, but this privacy and policy it show you how the latest updated this a CapCut version and how you can use this, how your privacy or your data is protected by CapCut, and many more. So I recommend you to learn about this privacy and policy first before you use this editor or CapCut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.